Me not have no more. So all the time when I come ask me about how much more. Hey! And fuck with me this day, you hear?
Mom, calm down, blood.
No, man, never do blood clot too much, man. You know, right now, me too need them out for giveaway. Big up yourself, Natasha.
Hard, Mom. Come on, get it.
Me too need them out for giveaway. Me have to wear bandage pan them because I can't stop work. Me can't.
The world has heard this story.
Me not gonna stop work till the day God ready for me. Me not stop work.
The world has heard this story a million times.
Because I will be used.
But the people them keep talking to me about her, and I said, listen, don't bumper clout talk to me about Marisha, bruv. Go to Marisha and answer all the questions you want to know about her. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because no matter what Renee says, good or bad, I'm always going to be the one in the bad. Because when she went back to you and told you lies on me, I'm the one that's getting the hard stick.
All right, Renee,
I'm going to need only for stop rise my mother blood pressure because I'm not going to hospital. I'm not going to the hospital. Do not rise the woman blood pressure. Thank you very much.
Did you hear that? Oh.
Hear me? Oh, Mom, I can hear you. It's me. My volume was down. Sorry.
You know, oh, you can't hear me now. Me don't know. Oh, you can't hear me?
Oh, it's time to make. It's time to make mullah. I'm hungry. Yeah, you get me? I'm not hungry and starving. I'm hungry for money. Let's get my heart. But where's Anisha?
She play music upstairs.
Is that the music that's playing? Wow, so loud. Right, I'm waiting for my life to build up in it before we run this match. Hey, Nisi, hi, baby. In my car, man.
Beautiful princess.
What? The biggest troll yet. How do you know that? Stop being a troll. Get a day job, mate. Get a damn day job. You come in here telling me people's business that I care zero about. You better. You have evidence. Oi. Unmute them right now. Unmute them right now. They got evidence. Send it through. Not me being messy. Anyways, Mom, come on, let's run it.
Good evening. So this I said match again, Renee.
Me, Mom, come on. I'm not gonna lie, like I kind of wish that I didn't sell all the castor oil because I don't have one fucking castor oil for myself. I have to use Miracle's castor oil now. Until I restock, I just sold it all, mate. What did you say, Mom? What did you say over there?
No, I ask the people them are going with.
Everyone double tap the live, please. Everyone double tap.
Double tap the babies. Double tap.
Double tap.
Double tap, my babies. Double tap.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Come, guys, double tap. My Betsy.
Who posted?
You know, I don't know what kind of song Sanisha play. Sanisha play the song and I don't know. What should they play?
Everyone double tap the screenshot. Let's go.
Oh, I feel Renee talk about Santa Rabbit. Renee, what you over there talk about Marisha?
What did you say, Mom?
Nothing.
Yes, you did. You said, why am I talking about Marisha?
So you're working it here?
Because I'm multitasking, not the best. Listen, how to look at the people then? Tell the people then. Oh wow! One of my supporters wants to do my finance for me. Are you dumb? Oh my god, I'm gonna be my car. Don't piss me off. Oh yeah, I'm too blessed out here in these streets. People think it's a joke, bruv.
Come guys, don't come out for me no man. There are two.
Mum, hear what I'm saying?
There are two mix up.
Mum, are you listening to me? This
Yeah.
music's too loud. Can Felicia turn down the music, Mum? We're all dying here.
Sanisha!
This music's too
Can you
much.
turn down the music, please? You seriously, you know, man? Turn down the music because you're in a club. Play the music, but turn it down. Take a club here, you know? Come on, my Betsy's, come on.
But the people them keep talking to me about her, and I said, listen, don't bumper clout talk to me about Marisha, bruv. Go to Marisha and answer all the questions you want to know about her. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because no matter what Renee says, good or bad, I'm always going to be the one in the bad. Because when she went back to you and told you lies on me, I'm the one that's getting the hard stick.
All right, Renee, forget about that right now. We come for joke. We not come
Ask me a
for...
question, I'm telling you, innit?
All right, we're done with that.
Cyril, thank you so much for the galaxy. Thank you, baby.
Done with that.
Skrill, big up yourself, babe.
Right now, I'm come for us, so.
Fab, there's a page copy in your name. I don't care about it. Just block them, please.
Me not have no time for the people that may have things to do. Me have
Just
things to
block
start out.
Listen, we come to make money right now. I got money
Yeah,
to
man, we
make
come for joke.
into. You see my car? I need my
But
car.
me and my bed says we come for joke right now. Me not come, me can't bother with the youth. The he said, she said, me said.
Listen, she's copying me right now.
Me too old for the he said, me said, she said, me people. So me come for joke, me not have time.
Oh my gosh, I got 7 nuggets. Oh my god.
But people, me not have time.
7 nuggets, guys.
Yeah, me come for beg. Me come for hustle.
We come to beg. Guys, don't let her shoot, bruv.
All right, Pen.
Kezia, thank you. Mum, the music is still loud, Mum. Can you not hear it?
Oh, this how much I done so quick.
I don't mean why no. This is the quickest shit I've ever seen.
Oh, this how much I done so quick.
I don't know. You're asking the wrong person. I'm still trying to figure out why it done so quick.
Big up the people, big up all of my people that been sending me local roses a while ago. Bless up. God bless you now.
Everyone that sent me a gift, thank you. Kezia, thank you. Trace.
Everybody will send me a gift, thank you very much.
This went shit. I can't. Everyone that sent me a gift, thank you so much. Scribble, big up yourself, darling. You were shooting for me last night.
908776442. Can you see my message? What message?
Everyone double tap the screen. Everyone double tap the screen. Let's
What
go.
message you talking about?
Everyone double tap the screen, guys. Everyone double tap the screen.
Some guys not double tap the screen because not going for me today. No, me not understand what I want, you know. What my nice people them there?
Double tap the screen. I'm getting my car. That's all I know about.
Where are my nice supporters?
Everyone double tap the screen chat. Let's go. Sammy, Tracy, thank you so much, guys. Everyone that's double tapping, thank you. Let's get to our 100K.
Come on, guys, double tap.
Once we hit 100K, we'll go for 500,000 likes today. Let's go.
Guys,
everyone
did
double
you
tap.
see the page they made on your daughter? But them say this long I make page. They not have nothing for do, you know.
Page about me?
Yeah, them not have nothing for do. Come on, guys, on a double tap. I don't have time for them for nobody right now.
What do you mean, do I even have a license? What do you mean, do I even have a license? What kind of question is that to even ask me? Who the fuck gets up and goes and get a car or looks to get a car without a fucking license? Get a grip of yourself. Everyone double tap. Let's go chat.
You know, me not come for the east of the me said the she said.
Everybody double tap. Everybody double tap.
Tell me if you get one be ma. Yes, tell me need to check.
Mom, tell them to come give me the bimmer money.
She said when you come get the be my money.
About
come on, guys, double tap. Me don't know if me ever drive because I'm afraid of driving. I'm afraid of the road. Double tap, guys. I'm afraid, my love. My bone if it broke right now, it can't set. By the way, I messaged her about the castor oil. Somebody said they messaged her. E22 said they messaged her about the castor oil.
Saw that, mom. That went in a day.
She said sold out. It went in a day.
Hold on a second.
Come on, guys. Me did I work at Umaton Boy College before it turned red turn now. Me that work there so. Me that do 2 work in the college. And at even time, Tank Springs. And at even time when I left there so, I gone where I Western Gando, hotel work. Me do it that's why I don't have no money now, because I spend out all of my money on pitting them. That's why I don't have nothing. So right now, I try for bill right now. You know much people come to England and left them pitting behind, and me come and me do all kind of work in England just to make it tree. Pit them when me have a Jamaica come to England.
Thank you to everyone that sent a gift.
Thanks, my Betsy. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
MVP, Prince.
All my gifters.
Big up your nice, good, clean self, Prince.
Lee, Tracy, Nisi, Sue, Rack, She Loves, Tiana Edwards. Thank you so much. Everyone that was double tapping the screen, thank you. Come on, tappers. We need you lot to work hard.
You can imagine when somebody had a tree work.
We need you lot to work
hard. And at night time I finish work, I go home. I can't go home straight because I'm tired that kill me.
Come on, guys. Everyone double tap. Everyone double tap.
No, them can't come back because the one know when them do it now. When him in the year, I pay things him do. Him catch all police car fire. I pay things him do. I boom down when me look at police come. Me can't deal with them something there again. Me turn old and me get old right now. Me can't deal with them something there. Right now, me just want to live my life and live freely. Thank you, babies, thank you. Yeah, I want to live and live free. I can't take stress in my old days, Baba. No. Just tell me no, make sure you make me win in the ear. Make sure you make me win.
Why are you giving him a guilt story every day?
Yeah, man, I need some money gun and I need a wheel a long time. I not seen a wheel.
Look at you, looking sympathy.
Kara, and I lie me and tell, and whole for work me do. For send for my picking them, you know.
Believe me, she knows I'm gonna cut.
From one work to another work, sometimes I not sleep. And when I do work, when I do finish 3 work, you know, and I go home, you know, I not get nothing more than 5 minutes, 5 hours to sleep, and I have to get up back and be it again and come out and go work again. Natasha, big up yourself. Me do it. Me do it, guys. Me do it. Me do it without no help. Me alone without
what do you mean you do it? Who else is supposed to do it then, Mom? You're here sitting here telling bare people you're
trust me.
Come on.
So right now, me have for us right now for see up local money. When you sit down and keep quiet, me have for me to talk too much.
You just don't want to hear the truth, bro. That's your
problem.
Yeah,
me work hard, brother. You know, so right now, me too need them out for giveaway. Big up yourself, Natasha.
Hard, Mom. Come on, get it.
Me too need them out for giveaway. Me have to wear bandage pan them because I can't stop work. Me can't.
The world has heard this story.
Me not gonna stop work till the day God ready for me. Me not stop work.
The world has heard this story a million times.
Because I will be used to. Me not them one day we come sit down pan chair from morning till night. Me can't do that one day, brother.
Come on, guys. Everyone work together. Work. Please ignore her. Everybody work together, guys. We need everybody to work together as a team. A teamwork,
brother.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
I want to say how hard my work. Thank you no more.
Everybody double tap.
I want to say how hard my work. And I like me sit down. No, me not sit down. Because I'm alone, you know. And I have so much things to do.
Yeah, I do agree. It's you alone, yeah. I would say that you are telling the truth about that. Is you alone doing it all.
Yeah, man. I have so much to do. Thanks, D. Thank you. Come on, guys.
The fucking kids don't give a fuck. Let's go.
Come on, guys.
Everybody double tap the screen, guys. Any donuts, money gun, handouts here. Any donuts, money gun,
handouts. Goldie.
Come on, guys.
Thank you, Goldie.
You know what she's doing right now? She's using her little sob story to work, to word in the people them to get the money. I ain't sitting here about to tell you lot all my fucking problems. Do you know what I mean? I ain't got time for that. I'm hustling out here. I'm jugging. I ain't got time to sit here and tell you lot what I'm going through in my personal life. I ain't got time for that.
The Bible said,
I don't need your story.
Ask and it shall be given. Knock and the door shall be open. So me respond to what she want to say. Eh?
You just need to stop talking about the same thing, bro. Everybody's heard this story 1,000 times.
You know why you're your mouth, brother. Leave me alone.
Easily give up. Stop just giving up like that. You got to put in the work.
I said, me can't sing it now. Tell you so me can't sing. Hear music there?
All right, now. Get ready. Drop the gloves right now, Riri. Drop the gloves right now, Riri.
No, me can't sing. Chat back on something big.
When Ruby dropped the gloves, everybody shoot on the gloves. Now she's dropped the gloves, guys. Come on now. Is that the gloves that she dropped? No, that's not the gloves. What's that?
I want money gun. I want Galaxy.
When the gloves dropped, activate the speed. Come on.
Thank you, K30. Thank you.
You drop the gloves, guys, now. Come on, chat. Everybody
Chat,
shoot
they
on the
gonna have
gloves,
money
guys.
gun now.
Everybody shoot
I
on the
want
gloves,
to
chat.
get
Come on.
sexy.
Shoot on the gloves, guys. Come on. Drop anything on the gloves apart from roses. No roses on the gloves,
All the
chat.
job
No
going.
roses on the gloves. That's
Job
it,
alright,
really.
you
Come
know.
on. No roses on the gloves, chat. No roses. Money gun handouts on
Yeah, man,
donuts.
no
Come
well,
on, chat.
man.
Come on.
Cater to my
No
well.
roses on the gloves, chat. Let's go. Everyone keep
I'm
double
alive, you know,
tapping the
me give
screen.
God thanks for life.
Keep double tapping the screen, chat. Let's go, guys. We all
Yeah,
need
man, me
to
give
work
God
together.
thanks for
Everybody work
life.
together, guys. Everybody work together,
They
chat.
gonna
Let's
want
go.
wheel, you know,
Work
chat.
together, guys. Let's go.
They gonna wheel, cause me just a sit down, my love. K30, thanks for the roses. Thank you.
Guys, double tap, double tap, double tap.
Yeah, man, thanks for the roses,
I
man.
wonder if I really clean that. Let's go, chat. Double tap.
Thank you, my babies. Thank you,
Thank you
no.
for the money gun, princess. Thank you.
Thank you, my babies. Thank you, K30. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Thank you, K8.
Regina, just go, Regina, please. Regina, moderate attack. How about hello, sir? I told you I've given the sir title to my brother. I'm not a sir no more, bruv. You don't leave me alone with this surname. Riri, big up yourself as always. Is it
Thanks,
Ariel?
baby.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Yes,
Love and
thank
peace and
you.
loyalty. Tea for me.
Big up
Angel cake.
yourself, Stacey. Thank
Coconut,
you.
send gift. I appreciate you lot so much. Honestly,
Thank
all
you,
my taps
darling.
is big up.
Thanks for
We're
all of the
almost at
gifts they're going to send
100k
from give me.
taps, guys. We're almost at 100k taps. We can do
Nice
this.
and clean. Nice and clean, my people. Then big up on a good self.
Ree, you're a moderator. No, you're not. Are you not? Oh, shit.
Me need one two moderator, but I don't know how to set the moderators.
Oh, I just a moderator. Pattern that.
Renee, how you set moderators?
Fuck, how do I explain that shit to you now? Hold on, let me make someone a moderator and then I can be able to tell you again. I'm looking for my lawyer shooters.
Yeah, me think me gonna make
Squirrel, where
S.
you at, Squirrel? Comment.
S. Me think me gonna make you be a moderator. S. Yeah, me gonna make you be a
Comment
moderator.
down
S.
below.
S. Don't worry, me gonna make you be a moderator.
There you are. Mum, hold the name.
All the name.
Hold the name. And then hold the name. And then when you hold the name, you'll see the 3 little dots on the right-hand corner.
She look at that pan right hand corner. I'm not sure she look at that pan right hand corner, man.
The tree, when you hold the person's name down, so just hold onto the name.
Yeah, Mr. Tree that pan right hand corner.
Then you say, it says add moderator, yeah?
No, you don't say add moderator. It's a reply to S.
No, you need to no. Oh, well, go on your start a blood clot. Mum, it says, it does. Stop it. When you hold the name down, Mum, it tells you to add moderator. You probably can't see.
Yeah, yes, it we do it the other way. It's a add moderator.
Yeah, so just press add. Add them.
Press add. Okay.
But you just don't make anybody a moderator because they can delete people, they can block people, they can.
No. S very nice.
S very nice. All right, she's nice.
Yeah, me make her be a moderator.
No, we're not in the same house, for crying out loud. What is wrong with you?
Follow.
We're not in the same house. What's going on? Mum, request the match.
I know you always request it.
I don't know why they think I'm in the same house.
No, you always request it.
For some reason, I can't request it right now, can I?
But it now show me on my own.
Well, I don't really know, innit? I don't know what going for you.
Nah, show me on my own, babe, brother.
Mum, it is. You probably just can't see it, honestly.
Renee, no, it's just for the 2 round circle there, the pink circle and the blue color, something.
Oh, because we're in a match, Mum.
So you see, they had told me an idiot. You see it? Oi!
We're in a match.
Yeah, me up alive.
Oi, everyone.
Eh? Me never ready yet, me a jug.
No. Why is it saying gift it's saying gifts are suspending? Why does it keep doing that? Try again. Is it saying the same thing? Why does it keep doing that? Is it still saying it?
Hello.
Hello, my darling.
No, I just got a Galaxy.
Yeah, me I go, but me I go and jog first. Me soon come. Me soon ready.
Your friend not wait for you.
Jog.
She not ready yet.
Yeah, get ready to just go right here and just leave.
At 7:42. How far should I go?
You want to leave by 8 o'clock?
Yeah, then when 8 o'clock come now, me we ready.
Yo, alright.
That is 20 minutes. If she's not ready in 20 minutes, not even 20, 18 minutes.
Oh, yeah, man, join my team. Big
Why
up on
do you
yourself.
keep doing this? It's actually annoying me, man. Shit.
Come on, guys. Come on. Double tap, guys. Double tap.
Mom, I got to rejoin because my people can't gift and they're trying to send money here.
Oh, you know, here, you know?
Mom, I heard what you said. You've been saying it, man.
You know, let me smoke a cigarette because I don't have your time, blood clot today. I don't have your time.
Is it suspended again?
Come on, guys. Roses, guys. Roses.
Roses chat. Ashley, only roses, Ashley. Only roses, guys. Come on.
Come
we
on,
have
guys.
to-
Come
only
on, guys.
roses, only roses chat.
Come on, guys. Big up on yourself. Thank you very much. Yeah, man. Thank you very much. God bless you. Anything.
Come on, guys. 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 Come on.
Come on, chat, let's go. We're doing really, really well. We're doing really, really well with the... Why can I not hear her? She muted me. Come on, guys. All roses. Every little penny counts. Every little penny counts. Every little penny counts, chat, let's go. Every little penny counts, chat, let's go. Am I muted? She's very quiet over there. I can't hear her. There's suspended gifts due to big shooters and technical issues, so I read online. Guys, only roses. We're almost done, guys. We're almost done. Only roses, chat. Come on, let's bring up the score. Bring up the score. Bring up the score.
I don't block people. My moderators do the blocking. What award? How do you lot know about this award?
Come, guys. Come, guys. You know, them a call me for go candlelight. Me tell them so me so come. Yeah, man. But me not a chair. Me ever get chair from me not a chair. Guys, me I go a candlelight, you know, say anybody wants want to see me, when you come a candlelight, you will see the great Missrfabulous. All of who will never know me yet, and all of who will never see me, you will see me at the great candlelight. Thanks to everybody who will send me roses. Big up on yourself every time.
I won!
When you not play no more than-
Bingoing because my plaque came. My plaque came. I'm going to show you my plaque. Everyone, roses chat. All roses.
No, me not play the roses game. I'm not play it.
Why, mum?
I'm not playing it.
TikTok gives you money.
Me not play the roses game. Sorry.
Mate.
Yeah, me not play the roses game. Yeah.
Bloody hell, blimey, man.
Who die, mommy? Jennifer Chance die.
Alright, look, all gifts then. Look, they can send you wherever they want to send you.
Yeah, anything they want to send me. Yeah.
I wanted to complete that mission. So basically, TikTok gives you these goals, right? So if you complete the whole, if you complete the roses every single day for 1 week, you get some. They give you a certain amount of funds. My plaque is in the living room. I was gonna go.
Yeah, I was going to say, ask me who died. The great Jennifer Chance. So tonight,
I was gonna go, yeah, but to get miracle ready, myself ready, like it's just, I need money right now, but I ain't got time. But big up Jennifer still, because I'm gonna get Uber then Uber back. All I do is take Uber. I want my car now, man. Everyone double tap.
Yeah, man, blah, blah, man. That's what me I got tonight.
I didn't block you, man. What do you block you?
Our candlelight, our house.
Everyone double tap the screenshot.
So if everybody can come out and go show the support, all of who noir, that would have good. We are respectful. Respectful when you do. You call a road there, the 58 run pan a road. Yeah, man, you never know. So Jennifer Chance pass. Yeah, Jennifer Chance pass. It also it all over social media. So also my own no seat and it all over social media. So tonight the candlelight say no.
Riri, are you going? Well, you know her as well.
Samantha Forest Gate.
Manuel.
Yeah, Forest Gate it there, Forest Gate. Chantel Williams, yeah. Oh, Kimara this.
Guys, after she told me to shut my mouth, you know, but my shooters are here. Do you know what I mean? Where do you go? Mommy Fabulous,
Madam.
why are you so quiet?
Why am I so quiet? At time for sometimes you have to quiet.
Everyone double tap.
Sometimes you have to quiet.
Everyone
Not now going for me right now, you know, not now going for me. Come guys, big up on yourself, yeah. Me love you no.
Let's go, double tap the screen.
Me love you no. Me not ask Christ, me love you no. Whether it go on right now, go on, me love you no. Whether it go on right now, every time I can't say not one thing, you know, without like glass, you know.
Mom shall come.
Renee, but you don't want to come?
Do you know what? Because yeah, Ren's got stuff to do. But
Yeah, then if you have stuff to do, you don't go on there.
What time does it start? I'm gonna come. What time does it start?
I don't know what time it starts, you know. Because I probably start already.
What time does it finish?
I tell them not limited time for finish, you know, but if everybody ready, you know, gonna go to yard. Simple. They've never gained a time straight. They've never gained a time when it's for done now. When it's not for done. For you ready for go home, you're going home.
Everybody double tap chat. Everyone double tap.
Yeah, for you ready to go, you go.
Oh, okay.
But no, me when me go to the road, you know, I'm not going early, you know.
Thank you for the donuts. Thank you, Miss Coco. 4 roses, my side. 4 roses.
Me have people when they see me for this long time, so you know me I go out the road for a time.
Oh, she's there. Elika, thank you, baby. Thank you for the money gone. Thank you so much. Everyone double tap the screenshot. Thank you for the roses. I appreciate it.
Come on, guys. No, no, give me no justice, no, man. What I'm doing, no, man. What I deal with? Judge, I whisper you there. We can go left me, Judge.
Times 3 chat. How much people does Maureen have in her live?
100 odd people over here.
130. What does add mean? 130.
108. Come on, guys.
Thank you, man.
What my people them, man? Where is all my shooters, brethren?
Working.
Big up yourself. Where me shooter them there?
Them at work. They outside. Mum, they're jogging.
Well, they can't come for the work 1 minute, you know, and send mommy Fabulous or something, you know.
No, they cannot. They cannot do that. They have to work.
Look here, no people. When you go hide somewhere.
Money.
Now you know what I mean? Go hide somewhere.
Money gone. Thank you, Elika.
Thank you, baby Tasha. Thank you. When you go hide somewhere and send me one big gift. Can I beg something big today, you know?
When they drop the
me I beg something big today.
Well,
me I beg one wheel, I want Interstellar, I want this, I want that. Something big, I 6 money gun, guys.
Someone said
me I beg on the cater to big up yourself. Me I
Well, I guess Cynthia wants to join.
So
I can go. But it was nice having you guys.
All right, pretty girl. We'll see you soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh, she come up.
No, you're asking the wrong person.
Who could I get one match? Cause if you can't get the dirty boy, what you call them people there? One match. And she sound like a cool person.
Mom, no one told you he was a bad person. The one that come in here and said, who is she?
Really, that's just a question. Have I said something wrong?
You probably hurt her feelings.
Yeah.
No, I don't know if you hurt no feelings. You not hurt her feelings. But just ask, who is she? That's simple.
You didn't say it in that lovely tone. You
Really,
said,
sometimes I'm nice, you know. Sometimes I can be nice, but sometimes you make me sound like...
I'm nice too, Mom.
Really, sometimes you make me sound like I'm a bad person, but I'm not, you know.
Oh, Marine, stop it now.
I am not a bad
This guilt
person.
trip. We're not doing this now. You've done it
Really?
enough, person.
So why you being like this?
Why are you being like this?
Maureen, how many picking in Mauricia have? With the bomb choke. Listen to me now. You don't just leave me a blood clot alone and make my cousin send me bomb ras clot self today. Ask me how much blood clot pitney me have. Me have 5 bomb ras clot pitney. You don't stop come ask about blood clot Mauricia here. You don't fucking chip me head today. Don't bomb clot chip me head today. What the fuck? Every time I come over here and ask about blood clot Mauricia, what have you done want in a Mauricia life? What the fuck you not see Mauricia ask how much blood clot picking she have? You want to come and ask me? Eh?
Aye.
My last picking your blood clot 17 year old, I got the bomber ass clot 18. August I come. Me not have no more, so all the time I come and ask me about how much more pick. Hey! And fuck with me this day, yeah?
Mom, calm down, blood.
No, man, they have the blood clot too much, man. I'm not rude to them over here, you know. One not gonna fuck off.
Hello? I'm going to need owner for stop rise my mother blood pressure because I'm not going to hospital. I'm not going to the hospital. Do not rise the woman blood pressure. Thank you very much.
You don't hear that? Oh.
Mom, I'm going.
Alright, my baby.
Hurry up, lady. Come up.
Alright, but so come, man. Leave me the fuck alone. You don't come over here come question about blood clot Mauricia for.
Mad, bruv.
The blood clot, you not go ask. When you message Mauricia ask her want blood clot pitney she have.
If anybody want to buy the family, because this family is mad. I'm not part of this family, man. I ain't part of this shit at all, mate. This is too much. This family's corrupt.
You know, come and ask. Me say, but a lot of people love fast and people business, you know.
Yeah, all right, now your head chip back in.
Yeah.
My money with Sarah right now. We don't have time for that. My money for Mick.
Yeah, man. That's true, man. God know. How this one now, man?
Mama, set the thing, man.
Oh. So.
What the fuck is this?
Yeah, come tell me for accepting. I miss I must run 6 circles the roll around so writing on my blood clot forehead.
How it is?
Are you gone small? How would this one come from now?
I don't know what this is, Mum. What are you doing?
What me I do? You say accept the thing and me touch it and it can't mark. You do it.
Mum, I don't know what this is. I press the match to start. What's this then? What are we supposed to do here? Now performing. What's performing? Am I supposed to get up and perform? Hey, somebody send a gift and let me see what's going on here. What is this? So how do I make money from this shit? Like, I don't understand what I'm looking at.
What is going on?
Mum, I don't know, Mum.
Send at me. Start singing. Why? How that?
So am I supposed to dance or something? I don't know, blood. Listen, if I'm not making money on here, I'm not going to be on this. So what is this? TikTok, sort this out.
Can you come ready?
Yes.
Go on, this one come on.
Yeah, she said she's going to come. So, you ready?
Some bullshit, bro.
So Renee, going back to something for now you do it.
No, Mum, obviously I'm doing something, but I'm not doing that. I'm trying to figure out why we can't play a match. So Renee's leading 919. So what's this final call? Final call for what? I don't really understand, you know.
That's it now.
The fuck is all this about? Let me hear what my moderator's saying to me right now, bruv. I'm getting irritated.
It is karaoke. Oh, you mean this is karaoke?
I mean, karaoke my blood clot. I don't want to play no karaoke. I don't have no talent. I'm not playing up to fucking karaoke, bruv.
Hey!
What's going on? I don't see no gift coming on my screen window. About fucking karaoke. I'm not in the pub. This ain't the EastEnders pub here. About fucking karaoke.
Me not laugh. Made her.
No, I want the normal thing. It's not funny, bruv. I'm proper confused, bruv. I hate to be confused.
No, sir.
What's all this about?
Hey, no. Me say.
Oh, somebody help me out here, man. Like, what is all this, man? Like, I don't have time for this, you know. I don't.
Jaja. Really, them want you for dance.
No, when the moderators is doing this, you know, someone in the moderator's got to be doing this. They're
Nobody
fucking with me
win.
still.
Nobody win no jar.
Mama set, man.
Hey.
This should be the match now, Mum. This should be the match.
Oh, I mean, someone ever saw jumping in hand.
Wait, Mum. Wait, hold on.
Try your best, don't catch the bomb.
Wait,
Don't
it's
catch the bomb.
money.
Catch the bomb, you lose. Don't catch the bomb.
What bomb? What bomb? I can't see the bomb. What bomb, Mum?
You will see it.
What,
Come
am I
on
making
yourself.
money
You will
off
see
this
the
or
bomb.
Alright, send me some money then.
Oh, flat, man. The fucking bomb are dropping on the online.
I'm trying to leave it.
Ready? Don't catch your bomb. Don't catch your bomb.
I'm not catching. Worry about yourself, Mum. Worry about yourself because you're out here catching the bomb. Oh shit, no, fuck that. Fuck that shit. Oh hell no. I'm the driver out here. You don't know right then. Mum, why is your hand up there like that? Bring your hand down. You look like an old lady trying to wait.
What flat? Are you make the bomb catch me now?
I'm not doing shit to you, bruv. Stop blaming everything on me. Everything you blame on me, like you don't have no eyesight. Mum, you're wearing glasses, Mum. You should see where the bomb is.
Bomb, just fuck your mother, bomb. Bomb, leave me alone, I beg. Come on, guys. 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 Come on. See the bomb there? See the bomb there? Bomb, go on where you go, you know. Bomb, go on. Go on, bomb, go on. Hey, bomb.
Oh, my hand's killing me, bruv. What is all this now, man?
Bomb, go away, bomb. Go away. Come. Yeah.
Oh my god, my hand's killing me. Like, this is not even the queen waits this long. Ah! Fuck, bomb clock. Fuck Stay focused, chat. Hey, one galaxy chat. Come on, guys. Someone send a galaxy. Come on, man. My hand's hurting, you know. Someone send a galaxy a whale, please. Come on, chat. One galaxy. Pussy-clot, yeah.
Hey.
I'm not gonna lie, yeah. Yo.
That one there is wicked, you know.
That's fucking dank, innit? That was a good game. My hand's hurting. Hey, run that again. Come on, man. What kind of stupid music is that? Mama, set the thing in it. Lacey, let's go. Mom. Guys, come on, one money gun at least, guys. Come on, money gun. One money gun shot, let's go. Ah! Suck your mum. Idiot.